a lead engineer at Open Infotech, and today I'm going to show you a quick demo on how easily you can create your very own AI chatbot in just few simple steps. Using AI Chat Assist, you can boost your leads and sales by an impressive 20 to 40%. Pretty cool, right? And the best part, you can try it for free and see the results. So let's just not waste any more time and jump to the video. Let's get started. Right at the middle, you will notice a button saying Start a free trial today. Let's click on it. After clicking the button, it will take us to a sign up page. So now let's enter our email address. Please remember, while entering the email address should be an valid organizational email address. Now let's verify our email. So while verifying the email, an OTP is sent to our email address. So we have successfully verified our email address. Now let's create our password. Okay, so we have successfully created our account. Now let's log in. Okay, so these are our various subscription plans, but we have to go with the active trial pack. So now let's select our country and hit active free trial. Finally, we are at the stage where we'll be making our own AI chatbot. So now let's enter our website's domain name. So basically the domain name of our website is our actual website's name where the chatbot is going to be actually installed. So now let's enter our website's type. And now let's enter the persona for our bot. So persona for our bot is basically the behavior of your bot towards your users. So now let's select a persona like IT specialist. So the knowledge base scraping. So knowledge base is a very crucial part of your bot because in this part the bot actually scrapes the data from your website and feeds in it. Now the part comes here to enter a bot name. So let's enter a bot's name. And you can also customize your own brand logo, but we can just put the default one and proceed to next. Now this is the final step to add this script in the head tag of your HTML file and your bot will be ready to use. Thank you.